Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunchi and this is Cooking with Kunchi. Today I'm going to be cooking some oxtails on the grill. Smoking the oxtail and then braising it down in a cast iron skillet on the grill. You're going to get some nice smoky spicy flavor that I'm going to try out on the oxtail. Stay tuned, see how I make this. So my smoker is ready. It's running at about 350 right now. And I have some really thick cuts. I got them custom cut at a local grocery store. And I'm just gonna lay them out, let them start to break down and get a little smoke flavor. When you get them cut to these sizes, you won't have to worry about them overcooking or breaking apart too quickly, and that way you get much more flavor. I do have an oxtail video that I've done already, and that was done in the Ninja Foodie and finished on the stovetop. But today this is going to be done strictly on the grill. Lots of smoke, lots of flavor, and we're going to get a lot of jerk flavor in this, and the sauce with some beans, some seasoning, some veggies. This is going to be real good. So right now I've made my sauce, or the base for my sauce, and what I'm going to do when the oxtails are done getting smoked, I'm going to let them sit in this liquid and braise and make this sauce right here. Everything is going to be done on the grill today. It's been 1 hour since these have been going. You can see them right now getting some beautiful color. Just gonna flip them over. And this is my first check since I put them on. As you can see, nothing's burning, nothing is going crazy, just slow smoke cooking. Getting that beautiful color. Some natural wood and charcoal flavor in these oxtails. In 1 more hour, we're going to come back and check this. And by that time, they should be really cooked. So we'll start to braise them in that cooking liquid that I'm going to put together. Stay tuned. So right now, it's been 2 hours since we started cooking on the smoker. And we're going to go ahead and check them out right now. You can look at my oxtails. They got beautiful color all around. These look amazing. You can tell that there's a ton of flavor from this wood and charcoal going into that. You can see right there. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let these continue to cook on here a little bit. In about 20 minutes or so, my braising liquid is going to come up to temp, and then I'll remove these from the grill, add them to my liquid, and put everything right here into the smoker. So right now I've had all the smoke that I think I need on my oxtails. So now I'm going to get this to braise in my sauce. So right now I'm just gonna pack them in real nicely. And this is gonna finish cooking right here on the smoker. I'm gonna have it covered so it's not really gonna smoke anymore. So all I need is some good heat. I'm gonna maintain this for about an hour. Let that get to braise down real good. And this is gonna make killer oxtail sauce. I'm gonna serve this over some rice. In case you haven't seen it already, I have another oxtail video that I've done before, stovetop and with the pressure cooker. I'm gonna link the Ninja Foodie playlist with that oxtail video right up top. And you can go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna give this about another hour here right on the grill. And I'm putting it closer to the cooking chamber, so it's gonna get some good heat. Guys, my oxtail is done. The oxtails look really good. To recap what I did, smoked these oxtails for about 2 hours and then made my sauce with some veggies and some liquid, and then made it cook down on the grill. Now I have it just resting on the firebox, just keeping it hot. And we're gonna get into this, we're gonna taste it. I'm gonna show you how it looks. My daughter is here. She doesn't know if she loves oxtail yet. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have her taste it and see what she thinks. Let's see if it's kid approved.
Good.
It's good? Is it spicy?
Not really.
Okay. Good. So as you can see, guys, this is kid approved. All right. The recipe is going to be in the description below, and she wants more. All right, you can have this one. So right now, guys, we've come to the end of another video, and I really can't wait to take a bite of this oxtail here. This is really good. This is so tender, smoky, not too spicy at all that everybody can't eat it. Love that Island Grill Rub that I put on it. I'm gonna drop the ingredients to that rub that I made in the description also. Guys, if you have not yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop a comment, share this video with somebody who may like it. This is the first time I'm making smoked oxtail on the grill. This is perfect. So tender, but it's not mushy, it's not overcooked. Just really good. Thank you for watching this video today. The steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.